ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், என் பேர் தேவ். இப்போ நம்ம மெக்சிகோவில் குவடலஹாரா அப்படிங்கிற சிட்டியில் இருக்கோம். இது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் வந்து இந்தியன் கேர்ள்ஸ் எப்படி ஃப்ளட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி வீடியோஸை யூடியூப்பில் நிறைய பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் இன் மெக்சிகோ, அதுவும் ஒரு லைவ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக ஒரு இந்தியன் மென், அதுவும் ஒரு தமிழ் பையன் மெக்சிகன் கேர்ள்ஸை ஃப்ளட் பண்ண போகிறேன். ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எனக்கு இது வரைக்கும் இருந்ததே இல்லை, இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம். ஸோ என்ன நடக்குன்னு எனக்கே தெரியாது. ஸோ அவங்க எந்த மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க, ஸோ அவங்க இந்தியன் மேனை எந்த மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க, எந்த மாதிரி ரியாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் எனி ஐடியா அபவுட் இட். ஐ எம் ஃபீலிங் நர்வஸ். ஸோ ஃப்ளட் பண்ணும்போது அடி விழுமா, இல்லை கன் எடுத்து வாயிலே சுடுவாங்களா, ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் எனி ஐடியா. ஸோ ப்ரே பண்ணிங்க எனக்கு எதுவும் ஆகக்கூடாதுன்னு. ஸோ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ¿Cómo te llamas?
Auri.
Audi.
Auri.
Audi?
Auri.
Okay. Audi. Okay. Gracias. What do you think about Indian men?
I don't know some people Indian, pero me gusta la comida.
So, yeah. Do you like Indian food?
Sí, yes.
Okay. What food do you know?
No sé. La verdad es que no tengo mucho. ¿Curry? ¿Curry? ¿Es de India? La verdad es que
Curry,
me
chicken.
agarraste.
Chicken curry. You are about to say?
¿Curry no es indiano? ¿Indian?
Sí.
Curry.
Curry.
Ah,
Curry with rice, arroz.
sí.
See.
Sí.
So, did you ever taste that food, chicken curry? Curry.
Sí. Sí.
So, do you like it?
Sí.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See, is that nothing but yes. Okay. And then, did you ever meet any Indian men in the pubs, nightclubs? We have got two beautiful girls, like from Mexico. Okay. So, like, we will ask their names. Hi, mi nombre es Dev, de la India. Vivo en Guadalajara por un año. Ahorita preguntar ¿cómo te llamas primero?
Yo me llamo Andrea.
Mandria?
Ajá.
Okay.
Yo Fernanda.
Okay, Mandria y Fernanda. And then, just 2 minutes, okay. And then ¿qué opinas de India?
Pues yo pienso que pues es un país bonito y con una cultura bonita. Pues yo también, que está muy bonito y que
They say Indian culture is very good, it's fantastic, so they like the culture. And then, okay, ¿qué sabes? ¿Tienes tiempo? 5 minutos.
que sí.
Sí. ¿Tú sabes lugares en India? ¿Qué lugares tú sabes?
No sabes.
¿Nada?
Ir visitarlo.
Oh, okay. Entonces, ¿tú te gusta visitar India?
Sí. Sí, pronto.
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 Pero no sabes lugares visitar. No sabes nada, pero
Pero nos gustaría visitar. Y conocer.
pero que ellas quieras visitar India. Okay. Aquí tú viste chicos de indios en México, en Guadalajara,
No.
¿no?
No.
So nunca saliste con chicos de indios?
No.
Oh. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Nadia.
So Nadia. Okay. Hi. Vanakkam. Say vanakkam.
Hi. Wanna come India?
There.
Wanna come India?
Super bien. Okay. And then what do you know about India and their culture?
I just know about the culture. I think they sell cows.
They sell cows.
Cows.
They sell
And-
cows. Okay. Then
And-
little louder.
Okay. I don't know a lot. What else? How they dress, with the
Like saris,
Uh-huh.
those dresses. So she's talking about saris,
and the.
Indian sari.
I know about the weddings because I was in one of my most recent English classes. I had a class about the weddings there, and the families that had a lot of money. Yes, I don't
Indian
know.
family?
The Indian
So
family.
you attended Indian wedding.
Huh?
You attended Indian wedding. So visit the Indian wedding.
I don't speak Indian.
No. You attended Indian wedding, like wedding marriage function. What do you know about India?
I like India, but I don't
know the country all the country now, but I like the country.
Like, I'm sorry for this. Like, what's your name?
My name is Kikei. Kikei.
Kike. Okay. Okay, you can say like Vanakkam India. Vanakkam, like that.
Welcome India.
Super weird. Then like what place do you like to visit in India?
I visit India. I don't know visit India, but I like visit because it's a country very cultured. I think is the culture is interesting. I don't know. I like the Indian.
Okay. So what language do you know? Like what language is being spoken in India?
I don't know. I don't remember the language. I think Indian. Indian?
Indian?
Yes, I don't know.
No, it is not Indian. Indian is like Hindi is a language mostly from North Indian peoples speak Hindi, and then South India, like I am from South India, and then South Indian people speak Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. So there are many languages in India.
No.
So never. So you never dance with any Indian men.
No.
So so you
No.
okay.
Él sí.
Okay.
Él estuvo en Vancouver y conoció mucha gente de la India.
Okay. So where are you from?
Guadalajara.
Guadalajara. Okay. So
I'm
like
from here.
okay. So which city do you know in India? Nada? Nothing? Okay. So
No, sorry.
okay. Okay. In the future, if you get an opportunity to date an Indian guy, will you date? So did you go for the marriage function? Indian marriage function? Just a class. That was just a class. Okay.
It was a class about weddings, and one example was
okay.
about weddings in India.
Ah, okay. So she's talking about the wedding class, like she attended wedding class. So there are some wedding classes going in Mexico. So like okay, like who is taking that class, wedding class, like Indian or Mexican? Which actor do you like in India?
I like the language for the first. What is the language you say the first? The name?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi.
I like practice the Hindi, but I don't know the
Okay. Then you can speak Hindi for our viewers.
what
Hindi. You can speak.
Hindi.
Yeah.
I don't know the Hindi because I like the Hindi.
Okay. At least one word from Hindi.
No,
Okay.
never.
Okay. So whatever said like Tamil, like how are you? Como estas? In Tamil, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Imbirkinga?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Imbirkinga.
எப்படி?
Imbe.
எப்படி?
Imbirkinga.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Imbirkinga.
நல்லா இருக்கோம். We are fine. We are good. Está bien. Okay.
See?
See?
Yes.
So okay. So what kind of attraction you find it from the Indian men? So are they handsome? Are Indian men handsome?
No realmente los modelos. El hombre más guapo es de la India, del mundo. El hombre más guapo del mundo es de la
All-
India.
all-
Eso sí lo conozco, está en YouTube. Sí, no, el hombre más guapo del mundo catalogado es de la
So
India. así
India. So you feel like Indian men are handsome?
Mexican,
Mexican.
my teacher.
Oh, see here there is a Mexican guy who is taking classes about Indian wedding functions. So this is really good. Yeah. So you also. So do you also like Indian weddings?
They look so much like they look interesting. I know, like the families and the money and all the costumbres. How do you say costumbres?
Costumbres. Customs.
And that I don't know. That's all I know. Like weddings, that the people that has a lot of money.
Oh. So she says.
It's like big weddings.
See?
And the weddings last like days, no?
Days.
Days.
What is the days?
Days. Días.
Dias.
See,
Yeah.
no?
Wedding 2-3 days sometimes.
Yeah, and at least here in Mexico, they last like the night or the day, depends. But the weddings in India, like the ones that I saw were like for days.
She says like Indian weddings are very expensive. Do you know Taj Mahal?
No.
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 That is one of the wonders in the world. That is one of the 7 wonders in the world, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. So we say it as Taj Mahal. So you people say, I think, Taj Mahal. Is it?
Taj Mahal?
So we say Taj as Taj, not Taj. So Ja, we say is Ja, Taj.
Taj.
So here, Guadalajara. So J you say is Ha, Guadalajara. So, but we pronounce Guadalajara. Ja, Taj Mahal, like that. Did you ever date Indian guy?
What?
Did you ever date Indian guy?
40%.
40%. Am I coming under in the 40%?
Obvio.
Thank you. Okay, so when will I get the date? Go on the- Do you like to wear Indian sari?
No.
No.
Like where?
Yeah.
Where? Yes.
See, she wants to wear Indian sari. Okay, that's good. Then like, did you ever try Indian sari? Did you ever wear Indian sari?
No. Never.
Oh, why?
I don't know. I haven't had the opportunity to wear one.
Okay. Okay. If some.
The Indian sari es la vestimenta, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Sí.
See, actually, okay. If any Indian guy is giving you Indian sari to wear, will you wear Indian sari?
What is that?
Indian guy, Indian men, Chika de la India, giving sari to you, Indian sari to wear. So will you try that? Try wearing Indian sari?
Sí, me lo probaría.
Hey, or Indian sari order parcel. Okay. So okay.
No.
So you did not get any proposal from Indians?
No, but I think I like the Indian, but I don't know the nothing for Indian.
Do you think are they handsome? Indians are handsome. Indian men are handsome.
Yes.
Oh. So Indian men are handsome. Am I one among them?
Yes.
Wow, I'm also one among them. Okay. And then okay, like if you get an opportunity to date an Indian guy, so will you date? Oh, you have boyfriend. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Okay. So if there is any breakup with him, with your boyfriend, is there any opportunity for me?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing.
You can question. Here.
Don't hit me.
¿Me das chance?
Okay, after breakup. After breakup, can I mingle with her?
ஏப்பு கிடைக்கிற இடத்துல எல்லாம் புள்ள பண்றானயா.
Okay, I think so.
I don't know. I think yes, but I don't know.
See, for all the questions, yes. So Indian is winning. And then, okay. So there is one guy from Guadalajara. So he also looks very handsome.
ஆஹா, அத மறுபடியும் ஆரம்பிச்சான்ல.
He wants to date a girl. So will you give him company?
No, not yet, not. But I don't know. I like the practice other things.
So, but you are ready to date him?
No.
Oh, why?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember the why not. But now, no.
Not now because do you have boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay.
TikToks where girls in USA wear it like in the like normal clothes and then they transform and wear that
Yeah.
and they look good. Some are like very pretty and some are like more casual, but I don't know, the ones that are very pretty I like it.
Did you ever date Indian men?
I don't like them.
Oh, she does not like Indian men. Why?
That's not like my style of men. I like more like I don't know.
There should be reason for it. So what is the reason?
It's not my type of man. I like more like maybe like Michael Jordan or Chris Evans or Michelle Morone but Indian, I haven't seen one handsome yet.
One handsome. There is one guy who is
Ah,
interviewing you
come
now.
on.
Don't you find him
But
handsome?
like of my type of man, I haven't. My type is like Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Uh-huh.
Okay, give me an opportunity. I can be like Michael Jordan.
Nah.
Oh, here
I have a boyfriend.
you have a boyfriend. See, everywhere I got failed. I did not even get a single girl to date today. Oh God, it's so sad. For example, just forget him. Okay? No, just forget him. So, like think like you don't have boyfriend. So you are you are single. You are single girl. So will you date?
I don't know the men for funny or dangerous or I don't know. I don't the men perfect.
Do you think Indian men will rob you? You know Tamil?
Tamil.
Okay. Okay. For viewers, you can say vanakkam.
Wanakam.
Vanakkam.
Wanakam.
Wow, super. Okay, thank you. You can try chicken. You can try chicken biryani. That is awesome.
Okay,
So that is one of the Indian food. It's very good.
I will.
You will? Okay. So let's fix the date with her. Oh, sorry, you have a boyfriend, right? Okay. Your name?
Nadia.
Nadia. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye, Nadia.
Thank you.
No. I don't know the Indian rumor, but
Failed in all
no.
the opportunities. I have seen many girls here, but I did not get any opportunity so far. So everywhere, no, actually I have a boyfriend. Then who I will date? I don't have any girl to date. That's my bad. I'm unlucky. Okay. Do you have your friend like you can refer me like for like dating? I hope she will refer one girl for me to date. Do you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So what's your name? What did you say?
Kike.
Kike. Okay. Kike. So we are winding up from Kike.
Nandri.
ஓகே சூப்பர் தேங்க்யூ. இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து மெக்சிகன் கேர்ள்ஸ் வந்து இந்தியன் மென் வந்து அவங்க இந்தியன் கல்ச்சரு ஸோ இந்தியன் மென்னை பற்றி அவங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்க, ஸோ எப்படிலாம் டேட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிற டிப்ஸ் எல்லாம் இதுலேருந்து உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதோட சுவாரஸ்யமான எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடச்சிருக்குன்னு நான் நம்புகிறேன். ஸோ மேற்கொண்டு அடுத்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், எங்கள் சேனலுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.